Hi and welcome to Enchanted Sparkle Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bow using a stencil, which is this here, and I'm going to show you a really cool fabric today. So for your stencil you just need to draw around the inside of the shape like this. It's pretty much the same as the templates where you have the pieces separately, but obviously the benefit from this one is that you're not going to lose like your centre strips and all the pieces because it's all on the one sheet of plastic, so you're not going to lose it. One thing to be aware of is it's not always spaced brilliantly for saving your fabrics and getting the most out of your fabrics, so you might want to move your stencil around a little bit to try and find the best place to put them on the fabrics. So that's that all drawn out there. Haven't done the best job, but I don't really hand cut an awful lot. I say that, but since I've been doing these videos I've been doing an awful lot more. You need a really good pair of scissors ideally to cut out so it's nice and sharp. You've probably noticed I've got loads of different pairs of scissors. These ones are much better than the ones in my last video. I also have some Fiskars scissors, which are the best ones. These ones I have at the office and in the shop. I actually pinched these ones off my mum, as you do. So you just need to trim as close to the line as you can. In an ideal world you could do with having one of the vanishing pens, but I don't have one of those because it's not something I really need to own because I don't hand cut loads. So that's the tails cut out there. Can you tell what's going to be the special thing about this fabric yet? It is so cool. This is the centre strip that I'm cutting out now. That's the centre strip, and now for the main bow loops. See, I normally speed these up a little bit so you don't have me dithering about cutting things out. Normally it's supersonic speedy, but I won't fast forward it today because it's not like I'm cutting loads and loads out. You can see how bad I am at hand cutting this way too. You have to be very aware of the actual pen. If you're using a pen, just be very aware of it to try and cut it so that you don't actually see the pen on your finished bow. As you can see there, I didn't even draw the entire bow. I've missed out the middle bit there, so that's, I'd say guesswork, but it's quite obvious where it's going to be. So that's the loops finished as well, so now you just need to glue it all together. You can see my glue gun here is very well used. You can see it's a bit messy, but it still works good, so there's no issues with it. May as well use that one. Just adding the tails on first, and then for the centre strip. I'm going to trim the little sides down on the centre strip as well because I think they're a little bit too long, so I'll do that in a moment. I've not lined my clip, I normally do, but on this occasion I'm not going to. So that's the finished bow there. So then now I'm going to show you why this is such a cool fabric. It's pretty amazing actually. Just turn the lights out and you will see. Amazing glow in the dark fabric. I'm so impressed with this. It's just like amazing. I need to come up with some really cool ideas of different things that I can make with this fabric. It's amazing. Right, thank you for watching then. Hope you've enjoyed this and I will see you in another video later. Bye bye.